You have to have a goal, and our goal is NEET. So, here am I having the most important questions from each chapter. So, stay tuned every Saturday. So, we will be starting from the first question. Backflow of fecal matter from large intestine is prevented by. Option first is epiglottis, second is sphincter of Oddi, third is ileocecal valve, and third is gastroesophageal valve. So, as we all know that epiglottis is the initial part of the digestive tract. So, this can't be the answer. The second is sphincter of Oddi. It regulates the hepatopancreatic duct. So, it is also not the answer. The third option is ileocecal valve. Ileo, the last part of small intestine, and cecal is the first part of large intestine. So this is the correct answer. And option D, gastroesophageal valve, is also not the correct answer. Okay, so let's come to the second question. Mucosal layer of stomach has irregular folds called rugae. This is a conceptual question that it is known as rugae. Okay, we'll come to the third question. The primary dentation in human differs from permanent dentation is not having one of the following type of teeth. So as we all know that there is a trick 8 pm and 4m. This is the trick from which we learn that there are 8 premolars that and 4 molars that are lagged in children. So they are just permanent teeth. Means temporary teeth are not there in, they lack completely this 4 premolars and 8 premolars and 4 molars. So answer is premolars, because some molars are there in temporary teeth. So now coming to the next question, which cells of crypts of Lieberkühn secrete antibacterial lysozyme? It's Paneth cells, zymogen cells, Kupffer cells, Argentophanes cells. So option A is the correct answer, because there are 3 types of cells in intestinal glands, or we call it crypts of Lieberkühn. One is mucus cells, second is Paneth cells. They secrete antibacterial lysozyme. And the third is Argentophanes cells. They secrete hormones like secretin and many others. Okay, now the next question is, wall of stomach is protected against the action of HCl by epidermal layer, mesodermal layer, mucus layer, or muscular layer. So the answer is C, because mucus, it actually protects our stomach from the action of HCl, because it is highly acidic. So mucus, it just neutralizes and it protects our stomach. Next question is secretory glands in gut layer. A, serosa, muscularis, mucosa, and submucosa. So we all know that there are 4 layers of stomach. The outermost is serosa, then you have muscularis, and then you have submucosa, and then you have mucosa. So we all know that the secretory layer is mucosa. Okay, so next question, in mammals, a significant initial role in digestion of milk is played by. It is the renin. We all know that in infants, renin plays a very important role in digestion of milk. Therefore, artificial renin is taken from calf. Yeah, this is an additional information. Outermost layer in the wall of alimentary canal is option A, muscularis, B, serosa, C, submucosa, D, mucosa. It's serosa, which is the outermost layer, as I've told you that this is serosa. Then we have muscularis. Then we have submucosa. And then we have the innermost is mucosa, and it has lumen inside it, the gut. So its answer is serosa. salivary amylase of saliva begins digestion of. So it's carbohydrates. As we all know that the digestion of carbohydrates starts from the salivary, saliva of ours. The 30% of carbohydrates are digested in the saliva in our mouth. So this was all. You should practice all these questions. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you. If you liked the video, please do like, share, subscribe.